Hi everyone, we have an iPhone XS Gold that came in, as you can see. It's with a faulty screen. So what we're gonna do, we'll replace the screen on this. Okay, we already placed it on a heat mat, and now we'll go ahead and disconnect the screen. So let's get to it. We'll insert the eagle blade at the bottom here. A bit of ISO. A bit of eyes on the edges. Okay. Okay. A bit of spillage here on the ISO. All right. There you go. We open the phone. And we'll disconnect the battery. My magic weight. We have 5 tri-point screws. Just like that. 2, 3, 4. This one is longer, and 5 right here at the end. Okay, now we remove the bracket. Okay, and we disconnect the battery. Okay, now disconnect the LCD using a plastic spudger. And the Face ID here, I'm sorry, the flex, the ear speaker flex. It's a little bit glue right there. Okay, there you go. It has a little bit of this, glue on the flex, so it can, it sticks to the Face ID flex here, to the front camera flex, so you gotta be careful when you pull it up, Okay, now we remove the screen. Here we go. Okay. We'll place this aside. we'll remove the earpiece flex, which has 3 tri-point screws, one small one here. Okay, just like that. Okay, place a spudger under and we gently pry the flex up. Just like that. And on the other side. Easy. And now the proximity sensor, just like that. I don't like to, place heat on this. The reason being is because it weakens the flex and it could break easier. So now what we gotta do, we will have to place a seal right here, okay, on the flood illuminator, okay, just like it's here. If you could see, it has a seal, a dark seal, so the right amount of light comes in. By not placing this seal back, you're risking of losing Face ID for good. Okay, so let's place the seal on it. These are the seals that we're gonna be using. Okay, like that. We'll line this up nice and easy. That looks perfect. There you go. All right. Now what we're gonna do, we'll replace with this XO7 XS soft LED screen, which comes with a lifetime warranty. Okay. Let's do that. Peel the film. Okay. These, they already have the camera seals, applied already. Okay, these black circles, they are the dust seals for the camera. So we'll place the ear flex speaker in the bracket here. Make sure that everything goes in properly. We'll place the tripod screws back. One, two, and third one, which is very tiny, very tiny. We place it here. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we'll transfer the data from this screen, okay, in True Tone to the new screen using the JC programmer. Okay, data is valid right here. We click reading, data read correctly. We disconnect this now, put it aside. We'll connect the new one. Okay, now we have to write to this new screen. Okay, data is was written correctly. We disconnect, put this aside, and now we'll test the phone and see. We'll see what if this has been transferred correctly, the True Tone and everything. Okay. Okay, let's see. The phone boots up as normal. Okay. As you could see, True Tone is there. We transfer it. Works beautifully. Touch perfect. Brightness is very nice. Everything works perfectly. Okay, we'll turn the phone off. Okay, now what we have to do, we're gonna replace this the old seal with new seal, with this. Okay, we apply new seal. So we'll do that. We apply the new adhesive. But before we did that, we place on the edge, I don't know if you could see, the Tessa primer, so the adhesive sticks much better to the frame, creates a stronger bonding. Okay, now we turn on the phone to make sure everything is works as normal before we place the bracket and close it. Okay, boots up as normal. Okay. All right. True tone right there. We transfer it. Everything looks good. Okay. All right, now what we're gonna do, turn the phone off. Okay, we place the bracket back. Okay, right here. 5 pentalobe screws. Three. I'm sorry, this is a Phillips. My mistake. The long one is a Phillips right here. That's funny because he came out with a with my tri-point screwdriver. Okay. Just the long one is a Phillips screw. All right. And one more now. Perfect. Now we'll turn on the phone again, just to make sure, you know, that nothing got moved in there while we place this bracket. Boots up as normal. A little bit, you know, slow because the battery health on this one is about 81%, and as soon as it drops underneath 80, about 79, it will tell you to change that. You should change the battery. Okay. True tone again. All right, everything looks good. Now we'll power off. We'll make sure, another final inspection, that we did not leave any screws in there. We don't want to mess the OLED, you know, by leaving a screw in there. Sorry. Okay, everything looks good. Now we'll close the phone. We're starting at the top, line this up, and then we go around and to the bottom. Okay. And we gently press with the, just like that, our finger going around to make sure that this goes into place and seals nicely. Okay. And now we'll place the pentalobe screws back. Perfect. Okay. 1, 2. Perfect. My glove ripped again. Okay, perfect. Just snug, you know, not too tight. All right, let's turn the phone on again. Okay. Like I said, it boots up slowly because this battery is at 81% health percentage. So okay, there you have it. Okay, truth on again, that was transferred. Okay, and everything looks good. We turn the phone off, and this was another quality repair by My iPhone Repair using a XO7 OLED screen on a iPhone XS, and this screen has a lifetime warranty. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.